Close your eyes and gently inhale.
Hey everyone, it's Mel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in beautiful Belize. I'm just going to be guiding you through a quick yoga flow for energy that you can do anywhere. All you'll need is yourself, a smile, maybe some water, and let's get started. Bring your hands to your heart center, standing nice and tall. Close your eyes. Spread all 10 toes in the ground beneath you. Engage. Stand up super tall. And then place your arms by your sides, mountain pose. Setting an intention for whatever you want to accomplish in the next 10 minutes. I want to be more present, more aware of my surroundings, less distraction. Even though I'm on vacation right now, it's kind of hard to stay present, truly. Nice. Inhale, arms to the sky. Pull the belly button in. Interlace your fingers together, keeping out the pointer fingers. Let's go ahead and side bend over towards the right. Staying in a nice lateral line, gazes to the sky underneath your armpit. Inhale through center, exhale, change sides. Inhale through center, exhale, drop the elbows, slight back bend. Inhale, stand tall, exhale, forward folds. Inhale 3 times, flat back. Straighten the legs, flat back. 2 more times, inhale. Exhale. Exhale. And we're gonna walk our hands out to a downward facing dog. Pedal your heels. Hips are being pushed up to the sky. Straightening your arms, opening up your fingers as far as you can. Beautiful. Let's take 3 to 5 spinal waves, rolling as slow as you can, as if you're a nice slow wave, and pushing the hips back up to the sky as you arch. Round the spine forward like cat pose. Exhale. Push the hips back. Let's go for a few more. Nice. All right, tippy toe walk all the way up behind your wrists. Nice. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, slowly rise 1 vertebrae at a time to standing. And begin to roll your shoulders up and down your spine. Nice, let's switch directions, rolling the shoulders forward. Nice. And we'll begin again. Inhale, arms up. Going for our side bends. Side bend over towards the right. Inhale. Exhale, change. Inhale. Exhale, slight back bend. If you want, you can bring your arms straight, go further, and forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, folds. Again. Last time, inhale, flat back. This time, shoot or step yourself back to a high plank. Lower down at the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip onto the tops of your feet, upward facing dog. You can shift your hips side to side. And hips to the sky. Downward facing dog. Okay, inhale. 3-legged dog, right leg lifts. Exhale, step it outside of the right hand. Open up this knee a lot. Right arm is up to the sky. Let's drop the hip down and circle it over. Drop it down, open it up, and then close the hips. Last time. Close the hips. This time come all the way over for extended side angle. Hips are as low as you can. Front knees, 90-degree angle. Inhale, open up. Warrior 2. Flip the palm, reverse. And circle it down. Vinyasa. Keeping the right leg lifted if you want a challenge. Lower down slowly and mindfully for your upward facing dog. All right, we're in downward dog. Let's begin again. Left leg lifts. Keep the hips square. Nice. Step it outside of the left hand. Open up the hip. And then close the hips, come forward. Open up, swing the arm around, and then extend through, squaring the hips. Last time. Really last time. And here we are. Open up, extended side angle. Dropping the front knee as far as you can, 90-degree angle. Nice. If you want to make it a challenge, reach this fingertip to the ground. Here's where we open up, warrior 2. Legs do not change, they stay low. Flip the front palm, reverse, just the upper body. Circle around and step it back. Vinyasa. If you want to add a push-up or 2, you may. And we'll begin again. Okay. Nice. Inhale, tippy toes. Exhale, melt the heels down. Again, inhale, tippy toes. Exhale, melt them down. You can shift side to side. Nice. And let's make our way to the top of the mat or behind your wrists if you don't have a mat. Nice. Slowly roll yourself to standing. One vertebrae at a time. Roll the shoulders. This time you can add in some neck rolls. And continue to roll out the shoulders. Give yourself chills. Engage everything in your legs and your belly button. Nice. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Let's sweep the ground as we sit our seat down for a chair pose. And here we're gonna hold. You can have your feet still hips width distance, sitting super low. Our feet are at a hips width distance, right? Going as low as you possibly can. Let's begin to pulse, pulse, pulse. Keeping your belly button tucked in to your spine. Protect your back. Nice. And let's begin to swing the arms behind you, chair plane, as we lift onto our tippy toes. Balance challenge. We're going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. We're toppling over our forward fold. I'm still on my tippy toes, and I'm going to try to grab the interlace with my hands to get into the shoulders. Drop onto the heels, take a nice forward fold. Beautiful. And inhale, stand tall. Exhale, Samastiti Hi, hands at heart center. All right, let's go into some standing balancing poses. We're almost done, right? We're going to go ahead and balance onto our left foot on our right tippy toe. Okay, hands are at heart or at your hips. Go ahead and lift it up, one-legged mountain pose. Your foot is flexed. Let's just hold for 5 breaths. If you want to make it harder, you may extend this leg, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. We're going to go for our twist. We're twisting over towards the right hand. And again, if you had a straight leg, try to grab for your big toe with your peace fingers. Dancing Shiva. Looking over towards the right hand. Nice. We have just a few more breaths. Nice. And good. Bring your hand forward. Try to grab both hands to the foot. If you don't have the flexibility yet, just interlace around your shin and pull the knee up as high as you can. Okay. Go for this one. We're holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing it behind you. We're in airplane pose. Hands are at heart center, flexing the back toe to the ground. Nice. And then simply shift your body to the front, dropping your left fingertips down on the ground for our half moon. If you want to try to add on to grab Chapasana, bend the top leg, grab the foot, and kick into your foot. Nice. All right. One more pose. Drop both hands down. Surrender to your left leg. Standing split. You can grab the bottom leg if you want. Woo! Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh! All right. Step it forward. Wiggle out your legs. And we will stand tall. Arms reach the sky. Exhale, Samastitihi. Let's begin again on the other side. So now we're balancing on the right foot. One-legged Tadasana. Beautiful. Flexing this foot and really gripping the earth with your standing toes. Okay. Again, if you want to try to extend the leg, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and bend it. Take your twist, or grab the fingers to the big toe. And we will extend out for our twist. Nice. All right. Coming forward, grabbing both hands to the foot, and we're holding for 5, 4, 3 breaths, 2, and 1. And here's where we swing it behind us. Squeezing your butt, flexing the foot. If you want to add on, extend the arms. Nice. Yes. All right, open up the hips. Slowly as you can, dropping the right fingertips down, and half moon. Once you feel your balance, you can go ahead and bend the top knee, grab for the foot, Chapasana if you did so on the other side, and kick. Nice. Whew. Last pose, standing split. Let's make it good. Grab the standing ankle if you can, and let's breathe. for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, crouching curl. Grab your shins if you can. We'll bring our knees forward, sitting in any type of seated meditation. Place your hands in your lap, your knees, or on the ground. And let's finish with 5 deep breaths. In the nose, out of the mouth. Releasing anything that no longer serves you. Calling in abundance, good energy, good vibes. You have the power to create your reality. Remember that right now and every day. Sending everyone so much love. Namaste. I hope you guys liked this video, and make sure to be subscribed to my channel. Hit the like button, comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.